Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2020 Volvo VNL 300s. This truck is equipped with the D13 and the Volvo I-Shift 12-speed transmission. This truck does have a wet kit. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in to Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.